How to use an adjustment layer inside Vegas Pro version 18. We need to insert another track, so right click on empty area, insert video track, and onto this track let's drag an effect. So go to video effects, let's say color, and let's say color character, and drag that one onto the newly created track. Okay, now here let's increase, let's say, the saturation to the maximum and close it. And nothing is visible because we have to move up this clip, for example, up there where that effect is applied. So if this auto ripple, this one, auto ripple, if that one is enabled, then while you're moving it, you will move multiple clips. So disable auto ripple, and then you can move your clip up there, and if it's up there it's colorful, and if it's down there it's not that colorful. Okay, and if you want you can use this tool, which is called selection edit tool, and select multiple clips, as many as you want, and move them up there. Of course this snapping will help you. F8 is the hotkey, because otherwise the clips will not jump next to the other. Okay, and if you want to delete this effect, just click on that blue or green diamond, right click that effect and open video track effects, and this color corrector will be deleted by this one and the window will be closed. And that's it. Now these are not colorful anymore. And that's how to use an adjustment layer in Vegas Pro.